Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's Sign. This is no contact reading. Those who are in separation, this reading is especially for you. So if you are in separation, so will they call you? Your person call you, or will they come back? So I'm going to give messages. So this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates. So let's see your messages. Will they come back or will they call? Messages for Taurus. It's Sign. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius. So I'm taking clarification cards for they're coming back. Yeah, her friend, maybe you both have some stability issues between you and your person. Under the deck, the Hierophant. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus. So right now your person trying to balance things in their life, and some cycles are already ended between you and your person. So definitely they're going to communicate with you because they're thinking about to communicate with you. They are missing you, they're feeling alone without you. Maybe some of you, the woman in this connection could be pregnant. Definitely lots of communication. Definitely they will call you because Knight of Swords with 8 of Wands. But they're taking some time here, 4 of Swords, because they want some rest, or they want to heal themselves before coming towards you, and they want to heal past issues between you and your person, and they're wishing for this connection. And if they did hurt you, they want to say apology. So Taurus, you will get communication from your person, and because they're missing you a lot, and for some they are manifesting you back into their life. Yes, they do love you and they're going to be communicate with you. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Maybe they did hurt you, maybe they ghosted you, or they are always in and out of your life, but now they're realizing your worth. That's why they're rushing to communicate with you. Yes, it's a strike message. There is some shift is coming in your relationship, and it is coming very fastly. They're going to be communicate very, very soon, Taurus. Yes, they will communicate. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.